New Morphic Workflow AI agent is insane. You've been staring at a blank screen for 20 minutes trying to write the perfect AI prompt, and you still got the wrong output. You're not bad at this. The tool just wasn't built for how real people work. Most AI creative tools waste your time before they save it. But something just dropped that changes this completely. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to cut hours off your creative production. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie. Help people learn and actually implement AI tools in their work. No fluff, no hype, just what actually works. Today we're talking about Morphic Workflows. It's just launched on April 6, 2026. The CEO of Morphic, Jayanti Kanani, who previously founded the blockchain company Polygon, posted about it on X. Morphic reposted the announcement on their own channel and it pulled 1.2 million views. So what is this thing and why does it matter? Let's get into it. Here's the core problem Morphic is solving. You know what you want. You can picture it in your head, but you have no idea how to describe it to an AI in a way that actually produces what you imagined. So you spend time writing and rewriting prompts. You try different phrasing. You watch tutorials. Most of the time, you still don't get exactly what you wanted. Here's what Jayanti said in the announcement. You know what you want, you just don't know how to prompt for it. That's what workflows solve. Storyboarding, 3 clicks. GC ads, you're prompting. Color grade, done in seconds. This is not just a feature update. This is a different way of thinking about how AI creative tools should work. So what exactly is Morphic? Morphic is an AI filmmaking and creative platform founded by Jayanti Kanani in 2024, based in Silicon Valley with offices in San Jose, New York, Dubai, and Bangalore. It's built for filmmakers, animators, content creators, marketers, and game designers. The platform already has tens of thousands of users and dozens of enterprise companies using it, from indie filmmakers to full production studios. Tools inside Morphic let you generate and edit images and videos on a collaborative canvas. You can train custom AI character models using as few as 2 reference images, pose characters like a digital puppet, handle frame in-betweening with keyframes, and edit your final video all inside the same platform. Morphic is also SOC 2 Type 1 certified, meaning it's passed a proper security audit for how it handles your data. That matters when you're using it for real business work. Out on top of all of that, they just launched Workflows. Workflow on Morphic is a pre-built creative pipeline. It takes multiple tools, generation, editing, styling, and chains them into one process you can run with minimal input. Instead of you figuring out which settings to use, which model to pick, and which steps to run in which order, the workflow handles all of that. You select your assets, choose your options, and hit run. Launched with 72 workflows on day 1. That's not a small rollout. That's an entire library covering filmmaking, social media, animation, fashion, and marketing, ready to use from day 1. And here's what matters most for anyone who's been intimidated by AI tools. You don't need design experience. You don't need to know prompt engineering. These workflows are built so that beginners can get results immediately without any technical background. I know what you might be thinking. Okay, but can I customize this? Or am I stuck with whatever Morphic pre-built? You're not stuck. Every workflow can be adjusted. Swap out the models, change the parameters, tweak each step to fit your specific project. Once you've configured it to how you like it, you can save it as a preset and reuse it across projects. This is the difference between a tool and a system. A tool you use once and start over every time. A system you build once and run repeatedly. That's what workflows are designed to be. When I first started using AI tools seriously, I was completely overwhelmed. So many platforms, so many settings. Figuring out which workflow actually saved time versus which one just added complexity was exhausting. That's when I built a community called AI Profit Boardroom, with 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. Real use cases, practical implementations, no hype. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link is in the description. Let's talk about who this is actually for, because the use cases are broader than you might think. If you're a content creator producing UGC-style ads, the workflows handle the heavy lifting. You bring the assets, the workflow does the rest. No prompt engineering required. That means faster turnaround, more consistent output, and less time debugging why your prompt produced something completely off. If you're an indie filmmaker or animator, the storyboarding workflows alone can cut hours from your pre-production. And the character consistency tools, training a custom model on your own designs, mean your visuals stay on brand across an entire project. That's a problem that used to take a lot of manual work to solve. If you're in marketing, producing content across different platforms, clients, and styles, running a standardized pipeline instead of prompting from scratch every single time is a huge time saver. You're also getting consistent quality, which matters when you're producing at volume. And here's the bigger shift I want you to understand. Prompt engineering has been framed as a skill you need to master to get good results from AI. Most people who need AI creatively just need to produce the thing. They don't have weeks to study how to phrase inputs correctly. Morphic Workflows take that expertise and lock it into the tool itself. You don't need to become a prompt expert. You just need to know what you want to make. More thing worth knowing about Morphic beyond the workflows. They're running a Creators Fund, a $1 million initiative to support emerging creators using the platform from ideation through production and distribution. If you're building something original on Morphic, that's worth exploring. And they're producing original content themselves. Morphic announced their first AI-powered anime series called DQN in collaboration with a Tokyo-based director. The show is being built using Morphic's own tools, frame in-betweening, character model training, scene editing. It's a real-world proof of what the platform can do at a professional production level. Not just a product talking about what it can do, actually using it to make things. Is how to get started. To morphic.com workflows. There's a free plan available, though it includes a watermark. Paid plans are available if you need the full feature set. How's the library of 72 workflows? I'm one that fits the content you're working on. Select your assets, adjust your options, and run it. No prompting needed. Here's a tip, don't just pick one and stop there. Try a few across different categories, storyboarding, color grading, UGC. You'll start to see which ones fit your workflow and which ones you can adapt. The goal is to build your own set of presets over time, so every project you start from a running position rather than a blank screen. When you find a configuration that works, save it as a preset. Now you've got your own repeatable pipeline. That's the whole loop, and it's built to be fast. So here's the bottom line. 72 pre-built creative pipelines, prompt engineering required, beginner-friendly, fully customizable, commercially usable outputs. Right now at morphic.com workflows, the tools that save you the most time are the ones that remove friction you didn't even realize was slowing you down. That's what this does. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. For 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences, what's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip, or hype. A solid practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in the description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. See you in the next one.